Howdy folks, another episode, just a real quick one on Right Turn Garage. So me and old Tater, we got bored today, and well, I have to move the old 69 Camaro yesterday or day before after I got done doing the gravel at, you know, the Right Turn Garage. And we were kind of researching what kind of wax to use to bring out the old shine on her Beetle. And in the process, we discovered a pretty daggone good one, really. Now, I don't get paid for any of this stuff. This is just my own little research. We applied it to multiple places on this sucker. And yeah, there's the good stuff we was using. Okay, but we was using a lot of McGuire's products. I think they make great stuff. 3M is great. This stuff here, I actually won like in a school thing where you throw your tickets in, and this here was actually left in my garage whenever I got it. Not saying all these products aren't great. I'm simply stating that this is what we noticed really threw a shine on. And go ahead and wipe that one part off that you did, and that way so we'll show the difference. Now, I'm purposely not going to show you the side old Tater's working on just yet. See, that's what it looked like before. I'm just joking, that's a tarp. But, you know, this is old dull 52-year-old paint, you know. Well, something tells me the door just ain't aligned just right. That's okay. So this is old dull Yellow Jacket. You better stop now. I mean, you might not be able to see it on the camera as much, but one place you will definitely see it here in a minute. Say hey, Tater.
Hey.
That's Tater. And no, I'm not putting IROC Z rims on a 69 Camaro. This was simply just to move it around, because believe it or not, that tire from 1984, and she was dry rotted and she wouldn't hold air no more. They just don't make them like they used to, I guess.
That was a spot right there.
Okay, so we've waxed the quarter panel. Now this is a different wax than this here. This here, I hope you guys can see it, because there is night and day difference as far as the shade. You have
Gold.
really gold, and you have dull. I mean, there's a big old.
You can see the jagged line where it did it too.
Yeah. So I guess what, I'm not really trying to sell you guys any products or anything, but I'm telling you what we discovered worked on 52-year-old paint. You want to get that stuff?
Yeah.
Now this is, to my knowledge, original paint, and here it is. It is Carnauba Cleaner Wax by McGuire's. This stuff,
Impressive.
it's pretty daggone good.
Look at the
Wouldn't you say?
difference. It's crazy.
So we're actually going to try it on the Green Monster next.
Yeah.
Good Lord willing, a creek don't, you know,
My little piece.
run dry. But we're going to try it on the old Green Monster and try to revive some of that paint. But this is just a little quick video on the kind of stuff we encountered. Rubbing compound, it's great for old paint that maybe being out in the sun, but this this particular paint was, well, it's 52 years old. This car sat out in the sun for over 30 years. So I'm not saying rubber compound don't work. I'm not saying 2000 grit sandpaper don't work, but if you're just curious on what may work, I'm telling you right now, the Carnauba wax is absolutely amazing. And as you can see here, it's even kind of dried and caked up.
It's old.
But I've had it for years, yeah. As soon as you start, you know, just doing little swirls and such, I mean, it is really nice stuff. So that's just a really quick tidbit, and it works great on everyday rides. It puts a heck of a shine on, and it will, I mean, it'll make you slide off your own hood like Bo Duke. I ain't kidding you. So, but we did clean up the old side-by-side yesterday too. By God, that's the first time she's ever looked clean.
Power washer.
But anyway, this is me. That's Tater.
And
It's Right Turn Garage. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button here, there. It's somewhere. I appreciate it. Thank you. All right, so I showed my daughter, old Tater. Say hi, Tater. We wasn't quite done yet with the waxing part. I guess since I broke out all this stuff, I should show you guys this too. Now, a lot of you guys have this going on with your lenses in your truck, your car, what have you. A 2000 Beetle that's set out too long. But it's pretty easy fix. So easy, a Tater can do it. So, the only thing she did was, we use this 3M rubbing compound.
and a rag.
And a rag. You can apply it directly on if you want, or directly on the rag. Give her a little bit of, why don't you just show them how on that other lens.
Okay.
Now, you see, this is the lens. This is not trickery here. No trickery afoot. And this is the not so dull one.
Just go rub it together a little
Now,
bit.
shit. You see how much you put on there?
I put quite a bit
Okay, well,
on accident.
just rub it on there, and we're going to show them.
Circular motions, key. Might have to be a little rough on it.
So you got to push down a little bit. Now, let me show you how an old fart does it. You really get in there. You can also buy one of these things that go on the end of a drill, and it works so much faster. Which I have one. I just wanted to show her how easy they were to clean up. And if you don't have one, this right here will do just fine too. But you, just like you're waxing a car. It's on. I do circular motions for the most part. And then use your dry part of the rag. This one's beat up pretty good. This one must have been under a tree. But
It's a lot better though.
you can just see that top part there. Now, we didn't even go down here in this. I promise you, that sucker right there is pretty crystal clear. Not like this one. And if you look where we didn't get, you can see a heck of a difference. So, Ken's wanted me to show you that. So,
I didn't have to do that.
that's just another little tidbit. She said, hey, since we're waxing all this stuff, why don't you show them how to do that? And I said, well, we can do that then. So now this is the real end of this video. So go out and get your little rubber compound, maybe a drill with a nice little swirly thing on it, or a buffer, anything like that'll work. Don't want to get it on the paint if you got good paint, because rubbing compound will eat paint. Try it. That's why I was showing you by hand. If you're not real steady with it, I mean, let's say you get down in here, you will eat that paint all to death. So if you're not very good with a buffer wheel or what have you, take the daggone lights out, do it on a workbench, whatever you got to do. But most definitely, if you want to save yourself a couple $100 or however much your headlights are, trucks, they may be cheaper. I'm not really sure. I just polish mine up with some rubbing compound and I call her good. But that right there is an easy peasy trick to do, and it saves a lot of money. So again, now this is the last time until the next video, but it'll get better. And this is me, and that's Tater, and we'll see you next time on Right Turn Garage TV. Thanks for watching.